In today's video, we'll be seeing an useful app, Electric Circuit Studio, for simulating both analog and digital circuits. Let's start with a simple diode circuit. In the process, we'll get familiar with the tool. In the bottom, you can see there are various tools available. Let's select a diode. You can just drag and drop the element. Once the circuit is complete, you can just simply change the values of the elements by clicking them first and then selecting the setting tools marked with E. As you can see, I can simply change the amplitude required, or I may also change the frequency required. There are various ranges of frequencies available. Once this is done, you can simulate your circuit. Now, as you can see, it is showing me input and output waveforms. For that, I have to make sure that I select the nodes across which I would want to see my output voltage. For example, I have selected volt 1. I'll go to settings tool marked with L and select show plot. Similarly, across the resistor, I'll select the voltage and I'll go to the setting tools with L and select show plot. You can also save this circuit. You can go and save it as, say I would want to save it as diode circuit 1. Let's look into one more example of a simple digital circuit. Here you can see there is a NAND gate and the output of the NAND gate is connected to a NOT gate. I'll simply run this. So as you can see, as the input varies, my output is also varying. You can see output across the gate as well as output at the last node. For that, you just have to select the output of the gate, go to setting tools marked with L and say show plot. Let's see one more example of a differential amplifier made using op-amp. So this is a difference amplifier, and when I simulate it, I can see the difference output using the op-amp. One more example on SR flip-flop. So when my S is equal to 1, output Q is equal to 1, and when my R is equal to 1, my output Q bar is equal to 1, and the state of SR flip-flop is 0. So as you can see, as my S and R changes, my output Q and Q bar is also changing.